Now, remaining point from this chapter, that is a theory of gravimetric analysis, is nothing but the digestion, aging, or Ostwald's repairing. Now, what it means by the digestion? Sometimes your precipitate is occurs, but the size of the precipitate is very small. At that time, digestion is necessary. Now, what it means by the digestion? Digestion is nothing but the actually at high temperature. What is the process which can be held in the digestion? That is at high temperature. When temperature is given to the your product, that is in mother liquor, that is the precipitate in the mother liquor. At that time, the temperature, when the temperature increases, at the same time, smaller particles are redissolved in its mother liquor and redeposited on the bigger particle, and this whole process is nothing but the called as the digestion, which is called as the aging, which is called as the Ostwald's repairing. Now in this year today we have two gravimetric estimations are there, in which one gravimetric estimation is the barium and the barium sulfate, in which case we have got a precipitate of the barium sulfate, which is a very low actually particle size of that precipitate is occur there, and that's why the digestion is necessary in a such a case. Means what? How the digestion occurs? What is the actually effect of the digestion? Now see here. The decrease in surface area and reduces surface absorption is in the digestion. The next, decrease in co-precipitation. What it means by co-precipitation we will see in later also. But decrease in the co-precipitation, then increase in a particle size, and which is easy filtration, which is a very useful for the easy filtration, because these are the basic requirements which can be followed in the precipitation or in this gravimetric analysis also. That's why the digestion and aging is a very important one. Now see this one again, that what is meant by the digestion? Digestion means when the temperature is given to the your product with the mother liquor, when which is very fine, at that time because of this temperature, smaller particles are redissolved in its mother liquor and redeposited on the bigger particle. Is nothing but the digestion. Means temperature is given to the your product is nothing but the digestion also, but that is actually what is actually size of that your desired precipitate is very low. At that time the digestion occurs, and that is depends upon the time of the time of the temperature which is given to that actually your desired product is depends on that size which form in the process of this precipitation also. That's why the digestion is very necessary in many other actually products are there, and because of digestion, three main actually points that can be offered in this one. Now this easy filtration. Now see, go to the filtration. Now what do you mean by the filtration? Your desired product when actually you have to get or your precipitate, at that time that can be filtered by some filter paper. Okay. Then see here, this filtration is nothing but the filtration depends on which? The filtration depends on the actually final productची साईज. फायनल प्रॉडक्ट तुमचा जो तयार होणार आहे त्याची साईज आहे, त्या साईजवरती फिल्ट्रेशन तुमचं डिपेंड्स असतं. म्हणजे काय, त्याच्यामध्ये 2-3 प्रकार असतात. एक तर त्याची साईज मिडियम असू शकते, लो असू शकते किंवा हाय असू शकते. हाय असेल तर तुम्हाला इझी फिल्ट्रेशन होणार. यासाठी वेगळे सेपरेट फिल्टर पेपर वापरले जातात. त्यांचे नाव आहेत वॉटमन 40, 41 अँड 42. दीज आर द फिल्टर पेपर्स विच कॅन बी रिक्वायर्ड युजफुल हिअर. ओके, वी विल सी.